Okay, welcome to the second part of using of screen reader. In this part, you can see how to set up the use screen reader. For this, you go to Search menu, right arrow, and go to Startup Wizard. In this window, you can see that options. The first option is speed of voice or speech. I use in 30% because other persons use in 20 or 15%. Okay. In the punctuation, you can configure of none, some, most, and all. I use in most is recommended for write a text and read the text. Typing echo is important because some persons write using the characters because don't know the keyboard. I put in words. Lower the volume of other programs. This checkbox now enable because when just speak the other programs lower the volume and these options is not accessible. Next. Okay, these options of start. In these options, you can see a various options. First, you can check or not check this checkbox. Start just on login screen. This checkbox is very important because if you check this, the blind person in the case that use a shared computer with other users, other user accounts, the person can start in the user accounts. Start just after logon. This checkbox is important because the blind person need using a screen reader all time, and if you not check this, you can configure in the start just on current user, the start just on the all users. The start just on the current user. This list box is important and is in always because I need or other persons need the that this screen reader starts with the system. Run just from system tray. This option is important for the case um, in when you change the windows appear the window objects and mm, this can disturb or of your navigation. This option minimizes the window objects on the system tray. Okay. Run the confirm of exit use. This checkbox is important because if you exit the use with command insert plus F4, okay, appear this advice. In this advice, you have the two options: cancel or OK. If you click on OK, you will now close. Next. This is the showing options. Smart navigation for forms mode. In this mode is the form you can write on the web page and form fields in the web page, in a PDF file, etc. Use keyboard layout. This list box setup automatically. This list box depending of that type of computer use, laptop or desktop. You use virtual menus. In Office, you can find tabs, home, insert, setup page, etc. In this case, if you enable this checkbox, you can navigate with file menu, equally of file menu, see menu, edit menu, etc. Initial state of lock lock key. In that case, you will use the desktop PC. You can access with the numbers of numpad You can use with one, you can go to end of text. Two, you go down. Three, advance two lines. Four, you go left. Five is for repeats a text. Right. Six, you go to right. Seven, you go home of text. Eight, you go up. And nine, you return to lines. With division sign, you can use of left click of mouse. With the multiplication sign, you can use how a right click. Plus and less signs use how a cursors, PC cursor and just cursor. The just cursor is with a mouse pointer because you can navigate with arrows. Okay. 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 You can go to PC cursor with plus key. Okay. Verbosity. This section of settings is important because you can set up of quantity of messages, of level of messages you can listen. You want these options you can change. Do you like? Okay. Braille. In that case, with do you know line braille? Okay, the line braille is how a screen, for you, and you can imagine a monitor in braille. Okay, mm, with cells in this system. In that case, you have a line braille. You can navigate and read text in braille. You can receive an answer of voice or in braille. Okay, this option I go to skip because I don't have a line braille. This option not is functional in my case. Next, braille settings is equal and finish with this part. In the next part, I teach that how to add new voices and some commands. Okay? See you later.